What's his actual philosophy?
In quiet, there is truth.
Quiet your mind until there are no thoughts. Then you can see your true nature, your face before your parents were born. It has many names: nirvana, kensho, bliss, divinity, illumination. Let's call it the blue pearl. It's okay. Our truth can be painful. Pain is the touchstone of growth.
That'd be a badass t-shirt.
It's okay. Laugh, cry, they're close cousins. Just let it out.
I understand you've written a book.
That is true.
Well, I'm an agent. And all my career, I've dreamed that I get to represent someone who I believed in. I believe in you. And I think I can help you to change the world.
I'm not interested.
I want to be a bird and I want to swallow your philosophy. Then I want to spit it back into the mouths of the children of the world, nourish their souls, help you to grow, watch your wings spread, and help you to soar.
So, what's in it for you?
Oh, just the satisfaction of knowing that I helped my hero to save the world. And 10%, of course. Ah, shit! Tree, give me a splinter.
The Bodhi tree did nothing. It did not move. We all create our own destiny, Jack.
Dr. Sinja, if you commit to me, I'll give you all that I am. Mind, body, and spirit. Everything. Let me be a big bird. Ah! Sparrow. Pick a bird, I'm it.
You agreed to have my book published?
I'm begging you for it.
And you will spread my philosophy in the way I meant it to be spread.
That goes without saying. You have my word, sir.
Remember, our words have a profound rippling effect on the entire universe. I don't know how this is going to work out for you. But what I do know is that you need to find peace. You need to find the truth about yourself. It's quite simple, Jack. You need to get quiet, not just with your mouth, with your mind. And in that quiet, you will hear the truth. Do you have any other unresolved relationships in your life? Good. Good. Then your wife. Does she know that you love her?
I tell her that all the time.
Words? More words, Jack. You tell her? Like meaningless leaves that fly off a dying tree? Words. Can't you show her that you love her? Make peace. Show them that you love them. And be truthful.
Look, I know what you want, but I just don't think that there's anything more to talk about, okay? Because you won't
You, me. We. Eternity.